Grab the welder back out. Ah. Righto. It's getting a little bit late in the afternoon now, however, I'm going to make the most of the sunlight while it's still here a little bit, and I'm going to get to putting the front end together. I was supposed to do this 2 or 3 hours ago, but I had to quickly repaint one of the quarter panels because it was still rusting, and I wasn't happy with it. So, yep. Anyway, I'm going to get to it. Oh, that's going to take some fucking work. That's the front end of the VP back together now. It's taken me a little bit, and it's definitely not perfect. But we got progress. So yeah, I think next up I'm going to do the rear brakes, check all the brakes all round, give them a bit of a clean up. Maybe test some other suspension and stuff. Start writing lists of everything that I need to buy. Now most of the cosmetic stuff is sort of out of the way. Yeah, I'll do some mechanical stuff over the next couple of weeks just to keep it interesting, and then probably jump back into some rust repairs and bodywork somewhere down the line. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope everyone enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.